Alright, welcome back to Saffron and Sypha's channel.
Yay!
Today we have the track and chomp Distortus Rex from Jurassic World Rebirth. This could be our last Rebirth video, or we don't know because we're still waiting for the Duncan, Kincaid, and Velociraptor. But however, we also found this minis right here yesterday. A rare one, the little mini D-Rex. There's no articulation except for the mouth. Yeah.
You moved the tail tiny bit.
So, oh wait, where's the focus? There we go. Alright, so let's go to our main guy right here. We're gonna unbox it and compare it to the two D-Rex variants here.
The Robo looks small.
Alright, and we'll check it out. So let's check the box first.
The mini?
There you go. Well, looks
The
like
mini's
the
not
eyes
the
lights
same.
up. They made the car a little smaller, even the person smaller. So yeah, let's check this out. It's pretty sweet. Let's unbox it now. Right now. Okay, we open the back. There it is.
Yeah.
Let's check it out. Bring everything out. Alright, we got it out, but it's missing an arm. We don't know where the big arms are. Hopefully it's inside, it's underneath over in the vehicle, so we'll check it out. So we found the arms, the big arms right here. It has wheels in it.
Yeah, that looks funny. It's like the same mini.
Check it out. Alright, we got everything out. Let's check. It says roaming attack, chase the car, and escape the dinosaur. Alright, now let's assemble it. Now let's put the tail in. Is that correct? There you go. That's right. What about the arms?
The arm is like the Star Wars.
That's easy. There you go. You hear the snapping sound? Look at that. Look at that guy.
I got the car.
Alright, we got it under control. Come on, let's start it.
Okay, Daddy.
There you go. Uh-oh, it's got the car. Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Okay, we go backward. Oh. Oh no. What's wrong with the car?
Wait, I want to do this song.
Let's see the controllers.
Stop the car.
Right there.
Oh. I want to see the headlights.
However, we can't figure out how. There we go. The mouth's opening now.
Oh. Don't get it at me.
There you go.
You got the car. You go put it right next to it.
Yeah. Oh, cool.
Let me get this T-Rex here. What's the mini? What's the mini?
Oh wow, did you compare them?
Alright, that's it everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
The small one's in the end. That's
Thank
the
you, thank
best
you. Look out, babe. Let's check the face on this guy. Looks like those are sensors right there. Down its jaw as well. Maybe that connects to the vehicle, that's why it moves. It actually looks legit, looks really nice. However, the feet looks a little smaller now compared to the other D-Rex. It has a bigger claws on its feet. Looks like waffle on its feet. There's the on and off button. There it is. Nice job by Matilda. They're covering the bolts. They covered it. See that? Alright guys, enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Have a good one.